Welcome to part two, where we're going to go over databases and APIs. I'm going to take you through kind of the intricate details of my food ordering app, touching on its database design, API utilization, and the challenges I faced during its development. The applications, restaurants, and dishes are the persistent factors, with the database storing elements like images, titles, descriptions, and prices where applicable. As per the rubric requirements, I introduced a search feature, but chose a design pathway that ensured the home page remained clean and user-friendly, displaying only restaurants. There's another search bar within the dishes page to create better UX. My thought was that once the full menu was added, a search bar would be essential in helping the user narrow down their preference. Refactoring involves streamlining the structure to efficiently store and retrieve images. However, this brought its own set of challenges. Upon launching the app, I encountered an issue where the data didn't transfer. I had to rebuild the content in my live database. Then my images were giving me a lot of grief, causing the backend to crash or not storing correctly. Multiple iterations led to the realization that a paid solution was necessary to effectively load and optimize my images. On the API front, my choice was the GraphQL API with Strapi as the primary backend solution. Strapi combined with GraphQL offers a flexible approach to data fetching. If it gives the power to specify what data the client receives, which ensures efficient data transfer. The app is integrated with the Stripe API to manage payments, leveraging Stripe's security and seamless transaction handling. The challenges, like understanding Stripe's live and test platforms, were addressed through a lot of research. The app utilizes the food app, it uses the power of Render and Vercel for deployment and added functionalities. Both platforms come with their own set of API endpoints, offering a lot of flexibility and scalability. Deploying offered its own set of unique challenges. With Render, I kept receiving errors regarding my token secret, my JSON token. It took a while to determine that Render offers a specific place on their dashboard to add the .env file. Once that was added, I was able to launch the backend successfully. With Vercel, it had a level of sophistication I was kind of unprepared for, as it would automatically begin another build if one was deleted. This caused some confusion because I had added 2 builds to the front end, which created multiple errors. So once I realized Vercel's building process, I was able to correctly load the app whenever I needed to update the code. In conclusion, developing this food ordering app has been a blend of design choices, database management, and leveraging the effectiveness of APIs. Every stage, from ensuring a user-friendly interface with a dedicated search bar in the dishes page to making informed choices on image optimization, showcases the primary goal of refining user experience. The integration of GraphQL with Strapi, coupled with the capabilities of Stripe, Render, and Vercel, showcased the app's backend architecture. While challenges were consistent, the data transfer hiccups, or from the data transfer hiccups to deciphering the intricacies of deployment platforms, each obstacle was met with research, resilience, and a determination to deliver. This experience underscores the essence of what development is. It's not just about an app, but about constantly learning, adapting, and growing with every challenge. And that concludes part 2.